Introduction: JavaScript's power to manipulate arrays. Introduction to the use of for loop with arrays. Tips and tricks for effective use of for loop with arrays. Basics of the JavaScript for loop. For loop is a control structure to execute a block of code a specific number of times. Components of for loop: initialization, condition, incrementation. Example of a basic for loop: using the for loop with arrays. For loop's usefulness in working with arrays: using I as an index to access each element in the array. Example of a for loop with arrays. Tips and tricks: enhancing code efficiency and avoiding errors when using for loop with arrays. Avoid off-by-one errors. Explanation of common off-by-one errors when using for loop with arrays. Reminder of zero indexing in JavaScript arrays. Example of an off-by-one error: use the array's forEach method. Consider using forEach method for simpler operations on array elements. Benefits of forEach: simplicity and less prone to off-by-one errors. Example of using forEach method with arrays. Conclusion: importance of understanding effective use of for loop with arrays in JavaScript programming. Encouragement to pay attention to loop conditions and use built-in array methods when necessary.